I hope this isn't a mid-court cam. I hope this is a good one. Oh yeah, I did watch the first 50 seconds of it by accident. Because I clicked it, I went to pause it, and then it kept playing. And I didn't realize, I was like, why is there a random voice with the music I'm listening to? And yeah. Is my Streamlabs crashing? Is my entire internet crashing? Oh no.
We start things off in Racine, Wisconsin, where convicted felon Shawn Riker's in
Okay, I think we're
court
good now.
for a pre-sentencing hearing.
You're gonna sentence me to life? Don't give a
Riker was recently found guilty of 16 crimes against his family, including sexual assault and physical
Lock him
abuse
up.
of a child, as well as reckless endangerment. He's already served 12 years in a federal prison for detonating several pipe bombs in Utah.
Damn! Lock his ass up!
Today he's in court to waive his constitutional right to appear at his sentencing. And he's got company, a heavily armed security team. He's in shackles and a spit mask because he's already escaped once from a Wisconsin jail and has not been cooperative with court security. Once inside, the spit mask may be on, but the gloves are off, as Riker wastes no time going right after Judge Wayne Merrick.
Oh no.
the idea, Merrick? Huh? You got me looking like a clown?
I mean, you are a clown.
Stupid punk. Merrick. You!
Bro, why are you mad?
I'm killing all you
Oh.
Wayne. I got your address, Wayne Merrick. I got your home address. I got address. I got address. And I'm having you all killed.
The people
I
he's
might be an
referring to
empath,
are members of the
but I think he's
prosecution
not
team.
happy.
There ain't nothing you're gonna do about it either. You know why? Because this is a state that doesn't have the death penalty. You're gonna sentence me to life? Don't give a Don't give a I'm getting
If you don't give a fuck, why are you so mad? Why is it so quiet? There we go.
Not satisfied berating the judge, Riker sends his wrath in the direction of the prosecutor.
You this that
Okay, might have some internet problems because my shit is wild right now.
What the do you want? Later.
As per his request, Riker didn't appear at his own sentencing, which
Oh my god.
would have really given him something to scream about. He was sentenced to 200 years in a state prison.
Damn.
Riker appealed the sentence, but
Okay,
it
there we
was
go.
denied.
Stuff's working a little bit better now.
Meet Timothy DiMatteo.
Oh boy.
The 34-year-old
One day I'll have better internet.
musician
I
was
pr- I
charged with
promise.
petty theft and damage to property
Oh my god, bro.
for allegedly trying to steal nutritional supplements from a store and then damaging
Let him
items
free.
after
He
was
just
caught.
wanted to get gains.
As Judge John Hurley
Wait,
kicks
what
off
did he
the
do after
bond
he got
hearing,
caught?
items after he was caught. Steal nutritional supplements from a store and then damaging items after he was caught.
200 years?
Judge John
Why?
Hurley kicks-
What a loser. Yeah. I have a feeling the chat might be a little bit behind,
Off
but
the
it's
bond
fine.
hearing,
Court finds probable cause.
he makes a request that will come back to haunt him.
Turn on the mic, please, somebody. Why do they...
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
you know me, don't you?
No.
Oh no.
Before Judge
Oh, he
Hurley
tried
could get
the-
another word in,
Do you know me? I'm
this
famous.
rocker breaks into a solo.
I was going to pick up my strips. They said it was a 45-minute wait for some reason. I'm walking around shopping. I go to the bathroom to take a piss and wash my hands, and the manager's in there waiting for me, thinking I'm shoplifting. I wasn't shoplifting anything.
No?
No.
No, I was just trying to get gains.
Second, third, fourth,
I was
13th,
lifting
14th
the
Amendment rights have been
supplements.
violated.
Oh, he's done his homework. He's a
But
lawyer
it
now.
turns out this isn't the first time the defendant's been charged for stealing.
Your Honor, if I may, two things worth noting. Mr. DiMatteo was arrested September
myself up
14th
here.
of this year at a Mexican restaurant.
A Mexican restaurant?
A bill for $250.
Tomorrow or later? Yeah, definitely later. No, later. I was planning today. We will set up the Discord today.
6 cents. he refused to leave or pay for his tab. Additionally, on September 29th of this year, he was placed on 18 months probation for grand theft.
As Judge Hurley checks on the details of the pending charges, DiMatteo can be seen growing more animated with the public defender. And when his mic gets turned back on,
Your Honor, sidebar.
yes,
Just
he
spit
raises
some
his
bars.
hand and asks the judge for a sidebar.
What's a sidebar?
Your Honor, sidebar.
Wait, no,
Your Honor.
stop. It's not your turn.
Am I dumb? I don't know
After
what that
being
is.
muted once again, DiMatteo decides to drum up some more attention.
Oh boy.
Bro, just let him vibe. He's
Continues.
trying to give you a performance.
Public
Come
defender
on.
Dale Miller hangs his head and makes the executive decision not to unmute the defendant.
Mr. Miller?
I think he's trying to give him an opportunity to calm down, Judge.
Oh, come on. I wanted to hear the
Ultimately,
performance.
courtroom concert is cut short,
Oh, come on.
and DiMatteo is.
Oh,
forced
God.
to remove
Oh,
court security.
he just wanted to give a performance. Oh, God.
I'm not having too much.
He was just trying to rock out.
Timothy
Oh,
DiMatteo
God.
later pled guilty to the petty theft charge. He was ordered to pay $200.
Hey, he got off pretty well, though.
Damage to property charge was dropped.
That's a pretty cheap concert setup price.
Sidebar.
That was good.
Milton Watts.
Next, we're in Berea Municipal Court.
Okay.
The defendant, 21-year-old
Sounds
Milton
fake,
Watts,
but I'll
has
believe it.
turned himself in after a warrant was issued for his arrest for failure to appear on a domestic violence charge.
Yeah, he looks like a
You were
domestic
supposed
abuser.
to be here
No, I'm just kidding. I don't
last
know.
month. You did not
What
appear.
does a
Why
domestic
weren't you
abuser even
here?
look like?
My mom didn't show up. Somebody died in the family.
Oh, okay. He sounds like one. I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Well, it's not an engraved invitation, son. It's a court order.
Things are clearly off to a rocky start between Watts and Judge Chris Green. But Watts seems comfortable
moving where I am
handling the
again.
situation on his own.
Your attorney withdrew,
Oops,
so you
never
have to hire an attorney.
I don't need an attorney.
Takes one to know one. Well, I can assure you, I'm not a domestic abuser, because that's like your spouse or something, right? Well, I get no bitches, so I can't be a domestic abuser. Come on.
Only for Watts, his grasp on the legal process seems spotty at best.
You want to talk to me about me, bond with me? What do you want to tell me?
About what?
Bond?
Don't really give a to be honest.
Oh, he said a potty word. Oh God.
Judge Green.
Okay,
is
random
known for
side
no
thing.
nonsense.
Speaking of like potty words, because I've never called it that, but like a potty mouth or whatever. One time in elementary school, there was like a playground. We played there after school. I was playing there, and there was a kid, like, let's say I was in like 2nd grade. I think it was a kindergartner. And I was on the slide. And he said like the F word or the B word or whatever. I don't really remember. It was like 10 years ago or some shit. I don't know. But his mom blamed it on me. She said I said it. She said, "You potty mouth. Why is my son hanging around with someone like you?" I'm like, what do you mean? He's the one that said it. I was appalled too, ma'am. This is what happens when you don't spank your kids. I'm just kidding. It's a joke, man. Twitch, come on. But I'm just saying, man, like, I know she definitely, like, tells that kid, "Tommy, go to your room." Because if my parents ever heard me say something like that, oh my God. But to be fair, she thought it was me, even though my voice did not sound like his, I hope. I don't know. That was just a random thing I thought of, and justice was not done that day because she made me sound like the criminal for saying the B word or whatever it was.
Style doesn't
was
seem
him.
particularly receptive to the attitude.
He was like a kindergartner too. I was like, damn.
That's going to cost you 30 days in the county jail for contempt. Cuff him if you got the cuffs.
Come on, I want to fight.
It's $5,000 cash surety bond, subject to the temporary protection order.
Watts' remarks have already cost him dearly. And now,
Yeah, was it worth saying fuck for 5,000?
He just swore at the judge. Can I give you a piece of advice?
What?
You can either make life easy or you can
Just
make
say I
life
didn't ask.
I already ruined my life.
That's 6.
What a Chad.
You want to go for 90?
Come on, man. Judge, like, I get it. I get it. It's kind of fucked up. And not necessarily in this case, but a lot of the times the judges just be racking up charges because they're egos, I feel. Like, come on. Come on. Is saying fuck really a, like, come on. Come on, I don't know. He's literally just saying fuck it. It's not like he's saying fuck you. He's saying fuck it.
That's 306.
Although he is dumb. Oh, okay. Well, I take it back. Now he's saying fuck you.
Yeah, I'm at about a year right now.
Hey, just don't beat your wife. You wouldn't be here.
Watts' mother and sister attempt to intervene, but there is no stopping the foul-mouthed tirade.
I don't care.
I don't give a either.
Bro, just start singing a song at this point with curse words in it.
Power. Fuck the power.
Start quoting Samuel Jackson or something.
That's stupid. Melvin, stop. Stop it. You don't even get in trouble. Melvin, listen.
Yeah, no, that's definitely his fault, though. Bro, is those $5,000 fucks really worth it? That sounded really weird out of context.
Despite the judge going all the way up to 360 days in the heat of the moment, once Watts
Still, was 3 months really worth it? Like, come on, dude. You would have been fine. It was just $5,000.
4
Gone,
days
right?
per four-letter word. For the initial domestic violence
Damn, a
charge
day
he
per
was originally
letter.
in court for, he later pled no contest and was sentenced to 5 days in jail.
Bro, that's all you would have gotten? You fucked up. Although he didn't really ruin his life, like the judge said. I mean, like he said about the judge.
We're in the Miami-Dade Bond Court.
Good afternoon. I'm Judge Mindy Glazer. I'll be presiding today
Hi,
over
Mindy
the bond
Glazer.
hearings.
Today, she'll see dozens of defendants.
You were arrested for retail theft, and I'll appoint the public defender for you.
But one in particular is sure to stand out. The defendant is Sherry Lynn.
Hi, Sherry
She's facing
Lynn.
charges of felony battery and resisting arrest with violence. Lynn appears remotely and is represented by a public defender. And from the very first question,
have you ever been treated for any mental health issues?
Why don't you yourself first?
I just realized
it's clear
it looks like I'm
Lynn
looking away
is
from
in
the screen, but it's whatever.
no mood to be in court.
Mindy glazed donut.
I said go yourself.
Oh, damn.
Okay, well, I'm a little busy right now.
Take another look.
I said go yourself.
Judge Glazer initially finds the behavior
Damn.
amusing, but she's not about
She's
to
a
let
real
it
G.
continue.
Ma'am, I'm just trying to help.
Ma'am, he's trying to help you, and please don't use profanity or try and disrupt my courtroom, because I don't want to be forced to hold you in contempt of court. Mr. Snyder's trying to help you. And I'm ordering that you stay away from Cynthia Cuba. Do not have any contact with her, and you must stay away from her home and place of business. As to the other case...
Who is this Cynthia Cuba? Tell me.
You allegedly tried to hit with the pliers.
Yeah, I have a feeling that you know who that is.
426. The bond gun is $5,000.
Crack is one hell of a drug.
It's $5,000, and count 3 is $1,000. Have a nice day, ma'am. We'll try and get you into the hospital.
Lynn's ordered to pay a $50 fine and undergo a psychiatric evaluation.
That's it. And the other dude got 90 days for saying fuck a few times, and she only gets what was it? I don't even know what it was like, but whatever
Next,
it was.
we go to
Damn.
Wichita, Kansas for the
Justice.
sentencing of Michael Gaines. He's been convicted of battery against a law enforcement officer.
Sheesh.
Gaines appears before Judge Rebecca Pilshaw, who speaks to the defendant about his actions.
All the evidence shows that you deliberately.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I know
The
you
words
did.
were that you deliberately.
Yeah.
I didn't hawk up no saliva, okay?
Bro, I was in the moment.
And you gonna
Some
believe those
saliva
lies.
came
That's
out.
what
It
I'm
wasn't like I
talking
was
about.
spitting.
I didn't hawk up
Just
no
came
saliva.
out.
You gonna believe a lie because they wearing uniform.
The judge attempts to bring some order to the
What if
proceedings.
that was true? What if he was just yelling, like he was saying fuck 1,000 times like the other guy, and just spit came out?
You gonna raise your voice at me?
Oh, damn.
Gaines doesn't appear to be backing down from the judge, but it's nothing compared to what he has in store for Assistant DA Kevin O'Connor.
You raise your voice to me, I raise my voice to you. You just
Equivalent exchange.
I appreciate Mr. Gaines making my point for me.
you punk,
Very well received.
maggot mother.
Damn.
And I don't think I have to take
You know,
insults.
I might be an empath. But I think he's not happy. I know I said the joke earlier, but it's funny.
He's a tough guy now. But I think
you'll be a.
Hey, fair play. He's standing his ground. He thinks they're a bitch. He's gonna tell them they're a bitch.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. You punk.
I'm talking.
You.
Take out of the courtroom.
Judge Pilshaw steps in.
Don't threaten him with.
Removed.
They're threatening him with these guards as if he hasn't fought them before.
Before heading
Oh
back to
God.
his cell, Gaines manages to get off a few more insults.
He's a maggot.
You're a tough guy.
He's a maggot, punk. You should have died when you was a baby.
Bam.
Maggot.
Anytime, Mr. Gaines.
Shut up, punk. You're a maggot. You should have died when you was a baby. Stillborn.
That's crazy. You should have died when you was a baby. Well, at least he didn't fight the cops.
To go beyond the 10 years and sentences Gaines to 13 years.
Damn.
In prison.
Well, that was
Thanks
crazy.
for being a fan of Court Cam.
Oh, no problem, man.
Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.
Dope. Oops. At least he's just saying maggot and not the banned one. That is true. For the sake of my Twitch endeavors, thank God. Thank God. I gotta check something because I just realized I don't think Streamlabs is recording.